One, two, okay. Sorry guys, we didn't have the sound before and I was talking myself. um, Thanks Zarabayata for saying that. I didn't know that. Thank you, my friend. Janice, how are you doing? Okay guys, I think now we are back with sound, yes? So, how is everyone's day? Are you guys all right? Everything is fine? I start explaining about the major news as provided by the fast pool calendar, and for our friends in China and in the countries they are celebrating the Lunar New Year. Would like to say Happy New Year. um, nice, Janice. Perfect. So for the currency, but anyhow, we don't trade the Chinese yuan. For the rest in the market, CPI reported earlier in Germany. Nothing special to move the euro actually. The focus will be on the Canadian dollar later this afternoon with a report of the unemployment rate. They expect it to see a rise in percentage and the actual to report it as 5.9%, which that's higher from the previous one. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's put this back and continue with the analysis. So first pair for today, guys, let's start with the USD Japanese yen. Here it was something we traded 2 weeks ago. Now it's done. So price made higher highs. And the retracement here at the previous swing high matches with the 61.8% of the Fibonacci ratio. And since the price bounced upwards and yesterday created a new high, the sellers, they tried to move lower and they didn't manage to. Now let me teach you something about the market, which is crucial. So guys, pay attention to this. 3 weeks ago we were trying to catch some trades from here. Now I want you guys to understand that we are all retail traders here, regardless if we are trading our money or if we are trading challenges, and we get qualified and we move to the next stages, regardless of everything. When I say that we are retail traders, I mean that we are not we are not the traders that they have the capacity and the resources to move the price in any direction. So if you once you accept this, once you understand this and you accept it in your trading, you will find out that you have limited capacities in trading the market. Yes, you have unlimited ways of doing and analyzing charts and everything, but the way to make money in the markets, and just to make sure compliance, I'm not going to say that you're going to make money in the markets with never occurring losses and all this stuff, of course not, but in order to trade and to understand what you are doing, you have to pay attention to what's going on, and the price action will tell you what's going on. The market at this point here, it visited an area of resistance, and we said we were looking to go short, but the candles, the next 3-4 candles, they were very very disappointed. Like, the market didn't move here, so we were trying to enter short from here, but the market really didn't go anywhere. So if the market didn't go anywhere, why should we place our bet and continue holding a trade that it doesn't look like it's a seller's market? It's been 4 candles here and the price, daily candles, and the price didn't sold off. So what are the chances? Then at this point here, okay, I understand. Some traders, they try to went short, but once they saw this candle here, a bullish candle, why to stay in the trade? What makes you feel that this is a bearish market? If at the resistance, the sellers, they don't push the price immediately to the downside, and the market don't go anywhere, then you have to really question the market, and you have to accept that, hey, this market might gonna move, might not, but based on what I see and what I understand is that this market maybe is not gonna move lower. So you can either scratch the trade, you can either place your stop loss where your entries, or you can place your stop loss where the previous high is, and just let the market takes you in and out if it's going to move against you. You have to read the price. You can't just passively sitting there and set and forget trades. If you're trading price action, you are trading the action, you are trading the price on the go. So you have to go with the flow if you're trading the price action. If you're trading purely swings and levels and all this stuff, that's another story. But if you're paying attention to price action, you have to pay attention all the time, not when you feel it's good to pay attention, and sometimes when you feel that I don't want to pay attention, you won't. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Great British Pound, JPY. This area here hosted a significant amount of activity, and which that was great. So trade now it looks like that it's over with this area of resistance, unless you guys want to trail stop losses and put the stop loss somewhere that if the price will continue moving upwards, it's gonna help your trade. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see where this market it might gonna go. At this point here, there are a lot of areas, there is a lot of activity. This one here, then we have this area here, then get a bit minimal. Let's see what's gonna happen for price at the high, price at the low, 61.8%. It's been penetrated. Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen here. There is no that much of clarity, but what I liked in this market on the daily chart is that price made this lower low, and now it's moving higher. Let's say if it's going to meet some resistance here and will push below that. USD, Euro, US dollar, the price moves upward, and it's been 4 daily sessions that the price didn't manage to break outside of this bearish candle. So if the price declines and takes the low of the previous day's low, previous candle's low, then we're going to see a good move to the downside. For now, this market is hitting lower, makes lower highs, lower lows, and I'm more bearish than bullish on this one. Great British Pound, US dollar. Same with this one. I have the area of resistance here. I hope that the market is going to tap in to find some good setups and move lower. Why I like this? Because the price made a lower highs and lower lows. It broke below this support, and let's see if it's going to retest this area, and we will look to go short from here. USD Swissy, the price broke above this resistance. It's been today, so it's a valid breakout. If we go down to the lower time frames, maybe hourly chart, we can find perhaps some bullish moves. It was a good one yesterday that occurred at this point here. The price rejected this broken resistance, now acted as support and printed this bullish engulfing. I hope you see where I show on the chart this bullish engulfing here, and it moved upward. It gave the move during the New York session, and then that was it. Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm into this trade, and I'm looking to add on this trade. So that's the hourly time frame. Price broke this market structure, made lower lows. So retracing back to this area here or a little bit higher, will be interested to take the trade short. New Zealand, US dollar. That's the hourly time frame. I marked this area for you guys ages ago, and remember I said that if price it's going to penetrate and move anywhere above this this candle, it's going to end up reversing and most likely mitigating all the areas. So we are ready to pretty much go short on the swings unless the price decisively takes the high of this candle. But if that's not going to happen, then the swings will help us to go short. USD Canadian dollar. Let's see what's going to happen with this one, if the price will bounce upwards. The market will definitely wait for the news on the Canadian dollar later this afternoon before it gets its direction. Guys, I would like to hear your opinion with the analysis. If you have to say something, you can type it below. Do you have a different opinion? Do you analyze the pairs differently? Do you see something? Do you have a question, something that you want to see further analysis? Gold looks like is getting still nowhere if we add the Bollinger Band, because the market is trading within this area here. Within this area here, that's the middle of the band. Yesterday it's fairly equilibrium. The market didn't move lower. Bearish candle, this yellow bearish candle, then a bullish candle here inside. Then the market didn't go anywhere 2 days ago. Yesterday the market didn't go anywhere. Rejection at the top, rejection at the bottom. It's not for retail trading. Guys, understand that we are retail traders. We are speculating on the price. Market doesn't go anywhere here. So if you go down to the, I don't know, to the hourly chart or 30-minute chart and try to pick up trades, where are you entering and where are you placing your stop loss? See this market here, it's totally directionless. If some people, they say that, that's high, that's low, so now it retraced back to about 78% of the Fibonacci ratios, maybe we're going to see this market hitting lower. Well, yeah, point of control here. Too much of activity hosted around this area based on the volume analysis. You can find 100 different things to say to support what you want to see the market doing. I repeat that. You're going to find 100 different things to support your words of what you want the market to do based on your beliefs. But what the market actually does and shows to the trader, it's a different thing. the market shows that it doesn't go anywhere. We don't have any clue. Other people, they're going to see this as a bounce of the 20-period moving average and a dragonfly doji that is bullish candle. Well, yes, but a dragonfly founded at support is a tradable pattern. As I said, you can find 100 different things to say. US oil impressively moved upwards. This one here yesterday on the hourly chart, the price, the trend turned, and yeah, what we see is that the buyers are strong, stronger than the sellers. And if you see down here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all of them on the rally. They are following the weakness of the US dollar, to be honest. Australian dollar, New Zealand on the daily chart. We were trading short for some time. Now the price looks like it's breaking below this support, and it gives us some clues of where it might gonna hit. So we're gonna still look for short on this one. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Yesterday the price broke below this support. Looks like it's gonna be more bearish. New Zealand CAD. The New Zealand dollar came out a bit strong. Someone says don't blindly trust fundamentals. Yes, of course, we agree with you. We don't trust the fundamentals blindly. Is this network stuck? Which network? The Solana? New Zealand, Swissy. Price makes higher highs and higher lows here on the hourly time frame. With this one here, remember we were watching the 4-hour chart, and I said that I'm very interested to trade long around this area here between 61-50%. But guys, when the market is strong, the retracements are very shallow. Australian dollar CHF and Canadian dollar CHF, they are Canadian dollar CHF made this high here. Not that interested to trade any one of these two guys. Euro Aus, pretty much nothing here. Euro CAD, it's been 2 weeks now. We are looking to go short on this one based on the break below this support. Euro Kiwi, the Kiwi is strong. The market is dumping it a lot on the Great British Pound, New Zealand. I don't know. There is a support here. We don't know what's going to happen. Pound CAD, again, nothing here. Pound Aus, we expect the breakout and see what's going to happen here if the breakout occurs. So nothing with the euro crosses and the pound crosses. Something maybe with Australian dollar, New Zealand for today. And for the rest, as we explain. Guys, I think that's all from me today. I'd like to say a very big thank you to everyone. We hope we add some value in your trading, and it's nice to see you around. If you need any further support, please feel free to reach on any of the social media or email. We have the email address there. Yeah, so I wish everyone to have fantastic trading day, in general to have a nice day ahead. Happy trading if you're going to trade the London and the New York session, and I will see you on Monday, actually, as usual, at the same time. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Thank you.